Going to be showing you a new video of Clash Royale. I've never done one of these before, but literally I was just on the game today, and literally I just wanted to show you guys something in TV Royale. So we're going to spell Valley, right? And we spectate someone. It's a level 7, right, against a level 1. And now you guys just have to see who wins, right? Just look at this. It's obvious the level 1 will win. Otherwise, why would it be in TV Royale? Yes, the level 1 is in TV Royale. That's amazing, and it's in Spell Valley to start with. I just see level 6 in Royal Arena, and the level 6 actually won, not against me, against my friend. So let me just quickly watch this battle. I want to show you guys something else after this. Basically, I would say the TV Royale is actually so rigged, because for example, if we go back, right? So we just watch this guy, right? And then look at the next, level 1. All level 1s, see they're everywhere. In Arena 4, I think it's the same thing. Level 1. It's the same, I think it's the same guy attacking every time, but on different accounts. I'm actually not sure. If it is, all his accounts are on TV Royale. Oh my, just look at that. They have legendaries all level 1. And they're level 1 as well. So level 1 against the level 6. Really? Oh my god. I'm actually pretty happy today though, because I just reached Arena 8. Yeah. If you guys want to see my deck, I'll just show you in this video. It's actually a really good deck, but I do have a legendary card, since I did actually get Super Magical Chest in a battle, and the pact actually got the legendary card. Not pact, sorry. That's in FIFA. Alright, so just wait. Okay, this is my deck. It's actually a really good deck. I packed the ice. I got the Ice Wizard from the Super Magical Chest. Yeah. So this is my deck. If you guys want to see more of this Clash Royale series, like me attacking and stuff, please leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.